Do you have unsympathetic backgrounds? Then get one of these. We've got to say thank you to Popup Backdrop for supplying this for us to review. They've not asked us to say anything, so all these opinions are my own. In 2012 I made a video how to fold up a pop-up. Now if you go on to Popup Backdrop website, they show you how to fold it up, but this is my preferred method, and this is the easiest way I think of folding it up. So basically you hold the backdrop by the side, you bring this part into your body, and then you bring your arms over, and the whole thing forms a figure of 8, and it ends up like that. So we'll do that again, and we'll do it a bit quicker this time. So you hold it into your body, fold it up, and there it is all folded up, and it doesn't even have to touch the ground. There's a big discount which I'll show you at the end, and for everyone who's ordering it will be a great discount. Now this is made from microfiber, and it's like a semi-furry material, and they're all printed. And if you go on to the Popup Backdrop website, there's just loads and loads, not only pop-ups but sheets as well, so complete backdrops, and you can even have your own printed. All these are double-sided, all these pop-ups, so you have got grey here and I've got blue on the other side. Velcro attachments on the side and on the bottom, so you can attach it to something. Now the little thing that holds the backdrop is genius. It's a small little attachment that fits on your light stand. I always used to just use a clamp and clamp it to the top of the light stand, which wasn't all that good. This little attachment attaches to the top of your light stand and clips your backdrop on it. So it really solves a problem from before. Either you had a specific backdrop holder, which is a little bit cumbersome, but this little thing, so you can see on the Popup Backdrop website, they sell a kit with a light stand and a clip. Get a massive discount. Just use the promo code MIC28 to get a 28% discount. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be kind, be safe, and we'll see you again next time.